Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. A project team is in the planning stage and has prepared a list of activities and completed sequencing the activities. During a review, the team noted that there is a dependency missing between test the product. Release to customer, according to the quality management plan, the product must be tested before being released. How should the project manager enter this dependency? Option A, start to start. Option B, finish to start. Option C, finish to finish. Option D, start to finish. To ensure that test the product is completed before release to customer begins, a finish to start dependency should be used. In a finish to start dependency, an activity cannot start until the preceding activity is finished. Therefore, test the product must be finished before release to customer can start. This ensures that the product is fully tested as required by the quality management plan before being released to the customer. Question 2. A project manager for a software technology project works in a matrixed organization with virtual teams. Unfortunately, the functional manager informs the project manager that there may not be any resources available to test the software. What should the project manager do next? Option A, request a teleconference meeting with the sponsor to submit a change request to allow the development team to conduct testing. Option B, engage with the functional manager to discuss details to obtain the required support. Option C, discuss testing requirements at the weekly project meeting to negotiate the best approach to test software. Option D, send an email to the procurement specialist to negotiate with a company that specializes in software testing. In a matrix organization, the functional manager controls the resources, making it crucial for the project manager to engage directly with the functional manager to discuss details and obtain the necessary support. This approach allows for a timely resolution of the resource allocation issue, whereas other options might delay the process or bypass the appropriate channels of authority. Question 3. A project manager is in the process of closing out a project and has been asked by the project management office to confirm that the transfer of knowledge to the operations team for support operations has been successfully completed. Which technique should the project manager apply to verify the knowledge transfer? Option A, regression analysis. Option B, meetings. Option C, expert judgment. Option D, brainstorming. To verify the transfer of knowledge to the operations team, the project manager should use meetings. Meetings allow for direct communication with the operations team and other stakeholders to confirm their understanding and address any questions or issues. This face-to-face interaction ensures that the knowledge transfer process has been effective and provides an opportunity for immediate feedback and clarification. Question 4. A construction project to build a fish hatchery is in execution. The operations group notified the project manager about a concern that might turn into a potential issue. However, the concern could not be addressed. In which project document should the project manager record the concern? Option A, request for information. Option B, scope statement. Option C, risk register. Option D, issue log. The appropriate project document to record a concern that might turn into a potential issue is the risk register. The risk register is used to document and track potential risks that could impact the project. This allows the project team to assess the risk, plan mitigation strategies, and monitor the situation. Since the concern has not yet materialized into an actual issue, it should be recorded in the risk register to ensure it is proactively managed. Question 5. During project execution, a global project team was using a video conferencing tool to support the daily meetings. However, during these meetings, only a few team members were actively participating. As a result, lots of misunderstandings occurred. What should the project manager do to address this issue? Option A, check the ground rules of the meeting to review the initial agreement with the team members. Option B, use round-robin check-ins to facilitate the meeting so all participants have the opportunity to speak. Option C, book one-on-one meetings with the team members who are not speaking up during the daily meetings to get their updates. Option D, Identify one team representative to speak up during the daily meeting and share the team updates. To address the issue of only a few team members actively participating in daily meetings, the project manager should consider using round-robin check-ins. This approach ensures that every participant has the opportunity and is encouraged to speak, fostering a more inclusive environment and likely improving communication and participation among team members. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.